If you're searching for a budget gaming keyboard that looks stylish, but also handles everyday work and gaming without unnecessary complexity, the MSI Forge GK110 might have caught your attention. But the real question is whether it actually delivers a balanced experience or if it's just another RGB keyboard with flashy lights. After spending some time using the MSI Forge GK110, the first thing that stands out is the typing feel. The keyboard offers smooth and responsive keystrokes that feel comfortable for long typing sessions. And the keys remain relatively quiet compared to many gaming-style keyboards, which makes it suitable for both work and casual gaming. While it doesn't use mechanical switches, the membrane keys still provide decent feedback, though hardcore gamers who prefer strong tactile clicks might find it a bit softer than expected. Another noticeable feature is the built-in hotkeys that allow quick control over RGB lighting, media playback, and other system functions, which makes small adjustments quick and convenient without interrupting what you're doing. The dedicated volume scroll wheel is also a surprisingly useful addition because adjusting audio becomes instant and smooth, instead of relying on keyboard shortcuts. In terms of comfort, the keyboard includes 3-stage adjustable angles with dual rear feet, allowing you to change the tilt depending on your desk setup or typing preference, which can help reduce strain during longer sessions. Visually, the RGB lighting adds personality to the setup, offering several lighting effects that make the keyboard look more premium than its price suggests. Although the customization is somewhat basic compared to high-end RGB keyboards, overall, the MSI Forge GK110 sits somewhere in the middle ground. It provides useful features, comfortable typing, and a stylish design, but it may not fully satisfy users expecting high-end mechanical performance, making it a practical option mainly for casual gamers and everyday users who want functionality with a bit of visual flair.